Hello traders, hello traders. Today is the 11th of September 2011 and happy Sunday to you all. A new day has started today, a beautiful day, okay? Years ago this was a very bad day for many Americans, but today the world is a better world, okay? And we are in it together, okay? We are in it together. Doesn't matter, okay, what we believe and where we are, what we are doing. We are all a human being, and all the blah 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 blah, okay, okay, the blah blah blah, okay, does not help anyone, okay? That's my okay, my take on today, the 11th of September 2011, and happy trading to you all, okay? Now we are talking about trading. Now in this video we want to focus on the pound yen currency pair, because yesterday a TSCW24 trader sent me some email regarding this currency pair, and we promised that we'll post a video regarding this currency pair, okay? So was excellent, okay? The email that we received yesterday, so was great stuff, okay? And for those of you who are new to us, we are the TSCW S08 traders, and our website is www.stochastic-macd.com. For all trade, we'll use 5% money management rules and apply stop loss in all trade. This video is for educational purposes only, okay? We are looking at a yearly chart for the pound yen currency pair. This currency pair, which means we are comparing, okay, the economy of Great Britain, the economy of United Kingdom, okay, the economy of England with the economy of Japan. That's what we're doing. So we are talking about a currency pair. We took one currency and we compare it to another currency. That's why when you are trading Forex, you must constantly pay attention to Google Finance, okay? If you have Android, okay, Android telephone, Android mobile, Android tablets, okay, Samsung tablet or any other tablet, you will download Google Finance and pay attention to, okay, the fundamental. Also you can download the Financial Times, okay, ft.com, okay, they are free software, and you can start paying attention to the fundamental. It does not mean that you make your decision based on the fundamental alone, but you combine the fundamental with the technical, okay? And very often, okay, the news, okay, are used to manipulate the market, but trading without knowing what is happening in the news, and also paying attention to the fundamental, the balance sheet, okay, the short-term debt, okay, the net asset value, okay, the ratio, the sale and the price ratio, all these kind of simple tools that you will start paying attention to, okay? So talking about the pound yen currency pair, we are talking about Great Britain versus Japan. Japan economy went to a recession for a long time, but their money is rising. This is one of the problems that the Japanese are facing. That's why the Japanese government from time to time is intervening in the market to control the rising of the yen. The same situation is happening in Brazil real, okay, and also in Turkey. These three countries, watch it, their currency is overvalued because the money went out of the dollar into Brazil, into Turkey, into Japan, and also into Switzerland. Recently, Switzerland has capped the exchange rate, which means now they close the party, okay, so to speak. The party that was going on regarding the Swiss franc is now finished because of the capping of the exchange rate. So the three currency pair that are left are the Brazilian real, and also the Turkey lira, and also the Japanese yen. The Japanese economy is in a serious trouble, and in the last 5 years they have changed the last 6 years they have changed their prime minister 5 times, okay? So there is a lot of work taking place. So talking about the pound yen and also the UK economy, one thing I want to leave you with is that the UK economy is a very, very resilient economy. Sometimes people will write out the Great Britain economy, saying that it's looking bad, it's going to It's not going to go anywhere, only to see the next data being perfectly gorgeous. So be aware of it. If you want to sell the pound, be very, very cautious and do it properly, because this economy is very, very resilient. You will be surprised how I don't know how this happened, but you'll see it. Things can be tough, but this economy is very, very resilient. Take it from me, So we are looking on the yearly chart. The first thing that we check is the critical price level. Do not cut this corner if you are serious about trading. The critical price level number 1 for the pound yen currency pair is 15008. The second critical price level, CPL2, is at 12664. Critical price level number 3, CPL3, is at 15072. And the fourth critical price level, CPL4, is at 12551. And the critical price level number 5, CPL5, is at 12654. And the smart median line, which is the sixth critical price level, the critical price level number 6, smart median line, very important critical price level for the pound yen currency pair, is at 18498. 18498. That's where I place my cursor. Now this is the smart median line. You see how the price was rotating around the smart median line. Now we are below it. You see, here there was a exaggeration. So the price was rotating around the smart median line. There is one critical price level here in this zone. This level here of it's coming up at 125. 51. 12551. The price now 12327. We are below that critical price level right now, and watch this zone carefully. The pound yen currency pair is behaving like the USD yen currency pair because it's against, you see, the dollar against the yen. Here we are talking about the pound against the yen, and the yen is rising because money is coming out of the dollar into the yen. So the yen is strengthening, creating a lot of headache for business in Japan that are exporting their goods outside Japan. You understand? So the government is under pressure in Japan to devalue their currency. So be aware of it. So what we want to do, in fact, is to buy the pound yen. That's the best thing to do, because in that case you are not fighting against the government, but you are working in the direction of the government in case the government intervenes. The same thing we are doing with the USD yen. Because we know that the Japanese government from time to time will intervene. We are on the oversold zone for this currency pair. Going to the monthly chart, talking about the USD yen, the pound yen currency pair. On this monthly chart, we have a double top. You see this top here, another top. This was a beautiful signal here. Can you see that? There was this high and a bit of higher high. The price will pretend to go a bit higher. We're talking about the messy market. We pretend to go a bit higher because they want to sell. The price must go up first, so they bring it up first only to sell it. Your signal is right here, this horizontal line. Price break above it but crash below it. It's a sell signal. It's a weakness. Look for opportunity to sell. Don't allow anybody to fool you. Don't allow anybody to fool you. Eyes on the price. Don't allow anybody to fool you. Because sometimes you see, hold on please, I'll try to do my thing properly here. Trader will fall into the trap. They will follow the crowd only to lose. Don't follow the crowd. You see here, this trend line here was broken and retested with this green one here, 2 green. Retested, boom, down. The first area wave is from here, this level here, down to this level here. On the monthly chart, not on the 5-minute chart, not on the 2-minute chart, on the monthly chart. First area wave, second area wave, this level here, and the third area wave, the longest on the monthly chart, and the fourth area wave right here. We are now in the fifth area wave that has been extended. There is a bit of extension taking place here because of the fundamentals. You see, people are still selling. These are what I call greedy bears. What the Japanese need to do is to cap it like the Switzerland. Just cap it. Cap it. They don't want to. They come from time to time. They push the market up only to see the price returning back down. Just cap it like the Swisses. Cap it. Just cap it. So people are still selling here. Because money is going to the yen, they are still selling. You see, But going to what this trader was telling me, I'll go now from the monthly chart. So we see 5 area wave, with the 5th area wave being a bit of an extension taking place here. So somebody may say this is the 5th wave, and then they say A, B, C, but there is a kind of extension going on in the 5th area wave here. We'll see, because there is this low here. You see this low here? The price seeking this one. You see the last low here? Okay, at this level here, I will tell you exactly this low at 11885. 11885. The price is seeking that level desperately. You see, they will manage to get it there. 11885. Okay, watch it, okay. So going now to the daily chart, I'll tell you straight away, okay, to my trader that sent me email, the trader who sent us email last time, the weekend, okay, the TSDW24 trader that sent us the email last time. You see, this was the last day, last Friday here. The price was here where I placed my red horizontal line. In fact, what I will do, I will draw horizontal line here, okay, watch it, okay. The price was somewhere here where I'm drawing my horizontal line here, okay, but there was this low here, the one below here. You see, I'm drawing another one here. You see, the smart money want to test this low. They say, why should we buy here? Why there was another support here? So let's bring it here first and see what's going to happen. That's what they did. Try to think like the smart money yourself. Try to do exactly that. So the price was here. You know that there is a high chance that they may push it down. So the price found support here. People were buying, but the smart money said, no, why can't we just buy it here then? Okay, you see what's happened? So they bring it here now, and they quickly bought it, returning above the same line. Can you believe it? Huh? If they were here, they just push it down to test this low, only to bring it back again. Okay, you see, if the price should go up, it should go down first. So this was happened last Friday. Okay. This was happened, okay. This was happened here, okay. You can quickly see that, and you will see very often it's happening on many time frame. On the weekly chart, there's another one here. That's what I'm telling you. This one here, okay. This one here, okay. What this one here? There's a high shot that they may push it to retest it. It happened when we were talking about the USD yen. When you see the price like this, this is kind of imbalance, because they want it. They will try to retest it. They will try it. They will try this one. Okay, so there's a high chance that this currency may go down more before turning around. So it's not finished. On the daily chart we see it. Now it's still left here on the weekly chart. Okay, so going to the monthly chart, can we see, you see this level here? Okay, they will try to retest it. They retest it on the USD yen. They will try to retest it here again. So it's not yet finished until they retest this level here. Okay, because this, the price going down, the price looking for a better support level, and the smart money will buy at a better support level. No question about it. Don't mess up with that. Okay, don't enter the trade before these people. Now going to the daily chart, we see it already. You see the same low here. They retested last Friday. The price was displaying a kind of double bottom here, as you can see, but there is a bit of imbalance because there is another low here. It's like a magnet. The price want to retest that. That's what they did and bring it up. Now they are happy, but there is another low. Okay, on the weekly chart. Be aware of that. Okay, going to the hourly chart. Okay, the problem is here on the hourly chart. You see the trend lines here is kaput first here, but here, okay, last Friday we were here. Okay, this is the 9th where I put my vertical line. The price display double bottom, a kind of double bottom here on the support level here. But if you acknowledge what is happening to, if what is going to the man of my money, their desperation to retest that low. Okay, on the daily chart, you see, you just put down. The retest quickly bring it back up above the trend line. So the trend line was broken nicely. Bullish price was sitting here, but this low here was not retested. Smart money want to retest it down. Okay, you see now? That's what they did. So they retest it now and they bring it up. But in my view, there's a high chance that the price may go up first to a certain degree before coming down again. Okay, so it may go up a bit only to come back. What this level here? I'm going to draw another horizontal line here. Okay, on this horizontal line here, this level of 12325. We are above it now, 12325. The price may continue nicely up, okay, up to somewhere here, okay, in a zone of 12389, and then come back again and retest this level here, okay, at 1 to 3 to 5, okay. So there's a high chance that a bullish momentum or gap up and continue up, only to come back and retest this level of 1 to 3 to 5. But be aware that on the weekly there is another low still left there, that there is a high chance that the pressure may continue to the downside. So watch your trend line. So you were here, you have a kind of double bottom pattern you want to buy here. This is the knot of this double bottom pattern. Watch this one here. You see the knot here? You want a double bottom here, it was going up. You have to draw a line all the time, horizontal line at the knot, always. Whenever you see a double bottom pattern, draw a knot, the line on the knot, okay? So the price went above the knot. What happened? Capitulation. You went back below it. Sell. Sell. It shouldn't come back below the knot. If it break above it and come back below the knot, that's a sell for a double bottom pattern. Same thing for a double top. If it goes, okay, below the knot and return back above, that's a buy. So right here is a sell. Okay, you see the knot? It's broken. Just paying attention to the price itself without any blah blah blah. Okay, so I understand what has happened here, but also when a trend line is broken like this, you see the best place to buy is at the edge of the band. Sometimes traders see the trend line is broken, they rush into it. These are new traders, they are rushing buying. Yeah, it's broken, let's buy now. We're going to miss the boat. You are not going to miss anything. Patient trader will want to buy here. They will wait. They will be praying even that the price manages to touch the zone. Okay, so break above it, come back and retest. That's the best conservative, old-fashioned way of trading. But in fact, when they were retesting this level, there was another support here which the smart money was so desperate to retest, which they pushed it down to retest only to bring it up. Okay, so if you understand what's happening here, after they did that boom down, you buy it together with them because you know straight away what these people were so desperate to do. The same thing you will do, okay, or you will promise me you will do once they retest this level here. Okay, 11860. Once they will dip below it a bit, they will never stop on it, they will go a bit below it. Draw your horizontal line on that line. This is the last level they would like to retest, 11860. Write it down. Watch it. They will dip below it. Wait for them. When they come back above it, you buy together with them. That's what you will do. Okay, because the smart money, you see, they want to retest this low. Now we are here. They will try to retest this one. They will buy always at the best place. That's why they call them a smart money. Going into no, I won't go to my crazy 3-minute chart because you may get fed up with me. I'll go to the crowded 5-minute chart. What do we have on the 5-minute chart? Okay, so that's last on Friday. You see, we were in a rising channel. Can you see? Okay, here it was rising, a rising channel. Okay, so you buy here, you hit it here. Okay, it's doing all this. Come here, it fell. You see, come out. It come out of a rising channel. Now we have a new channel. You see, a declining channel, and you hold it. Boom, boom, boom. In fact, it ran fast because the smart money want to go in. This is the gap period of a New York session. They will usually use the gap period to do their dirty work, and the gap period they did it. Okay, because these professionals are not in the market during the gap period, so they think this is the best time to do the dirty work. Down to retest, and they get it ready. Okay, now we are again on the 5-minute chart, another channel. So we are now again in another rising channel. There is a high channel the price may go, hit the upper side of the channel, come back down. Okay, this is what I was telling you on the hourly chart. So this is about the pound or yen currency pair, and I hope you enjoyed this video also, that you will put into practice, okay, in order, okay, to claim the market consistently. Attention, okay, understanding what the price is doing. Price going down, the price looking for a better support level, price going up, price looking for a better resistance level. If you are buying at one support level, be aware of the support level that are behind. If that support level is a better support level, the price can break below it. As soon as the price breaks your support level, you know that it's seeking the next one. So going into the mind of the smart traders and understanding what's going on in the market, drawing your channels, okay, and using the TSTW24, remembering all the rules, simple rules that you can follow, okay, in order to claim the market consistently. We wish you the very best in your trading, and until the next time, okay, enjoy yourself, okay, and be very happy. We are the TSTW, okay, SYSOA08 traders. Thank you for watching, okay, and we will speak to you very soon.